everybody, and welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to show you how to make a Swiss style handmade candle. The first step is to get a 1 foot string, then put it in candle liquid. Then we put the 1 foot string in the candle liquid for 5 seconds, then cool it off for 10 seconds. Then you repeat this step for about 3 times. The candle handmade owner helps us do the string because he knows a lot about candles. Then we put the candle very deep in the candle pot. Now our candle is getting bigger, and after we do it, we go back to the line and cool it for about 36 seconds. In the beginning, I made it with my dad and me, but now my brother Kai is going to make it with me because he was upset in the first place with me. In the third round, it is completely different because you need to put it 1 time, not 3. And by the way, it needs to be not so hot because if it's hot, the shape won't be so good. And it will not get bigger. Never get bigger. Never. Then after you put your candle in, you have to cool it for 2 or 3 minutes for the next round. It has to be cooled 80, 70, or 90% cooled down, or 100. You can make the size as big as you want because it's your candle, not my candle. I made my candle as big as I wanted. When the liquid gets dry, he will use a heat gun to melt the dry liquid. This is the last time we're going to put the candle in the liquid because it is big enough for us. The next step is to choose a shape that you like. Then the owner will cut a piece off from the candle so the bottom will be smooth. Then they will use the bottom for the shapes. Then he will make sure the candle can be flat in the bottom so it can stand. We chose the snowman and the flower.
Das ist ein Teddybär eben. Und der wird ein bisschen knapp. Das wäre auch schön.
Then he will put the shape on our candle because the candle is still warm. Our final step is to put the candle in the liquid 1 more time so the shape sticks on it. Our dad does it. The price of the candle depends on how much it weighs and how the size is. For these 2 candles, we have to pay $25. That's not an even number. I'm Kai, and now the first time I made a candle, I feel very excited and proud. My experience about the candle is the same as Kai's. We'll use the candle when there's a power outage in our home. Power outage. I hope you guys enjoy our candle review in Switzerland. Bye. Go Kuchu!